Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will solve question number 2 from exercise 5.1 data handling. Yesterday after introductional part you are now familiar with the bar graphs and histogram. See in question number 2 the shoppers who came departmental store and marked as man M, woman W, boy B or girl G. Data are given. I will show you the data now only. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hour in the morning. Now from the book you can see the data. Now see the question from the book. Here the raw data has given in this form. W, you know that it is given in the question woman. These are the W, 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 G, B, W, W, M, G, G. In this way you can see, and you have to count. You have to arrange in frequency distribution table how many women are there, how many girls are there, how many men are there, and how many boys are there. See, I am counting boys. See, from the beginning it is only 1, then go 2, then 3, 4, see 5. So number of boys, if I start counting in this way, I have seen that 5 boys are there. In this way you have to count how many women are there, how many men are there, and how many girls are there. In this way you have to find the numbers of data, and then you have to find the frequency distribution table. Now as you have seen that I have counted how many boys are there, you have seen that there are 5 boys are there. So in the tally marks you will do in this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in this way I have count that how many women are there. 28 women are there. So 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So in the frequency distribution table tally marks is required. So tally marks number of 28 shoppers for the woman. I have given the tally marks. Now number of men 15. I have counted 15. You also check it is correct or not. 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And number of girls, count from the raw data and you see, check it, is it 12 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this way, you will get the frequency distribution table in this way. Shopper's name, tally marks and the numbers. These kind of tables are known as frequency distribution table. Now in the question it is given that draw a bar graph to clear the concept. Now come to the bar for drawing the bar graph. We have taken to illustrate the concept in a bar graph. We have seen that men, women, boys and girls. So I have given this category of shoppers in the horizontal axis, and in the vertical axis I have given that marks of the number of the shoppers. Here I have given as 28 is the maximum value and 5 is the minimum value. So I have given 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 up to 30. Now for the main it is 15. So 15 is here. So we are giving one bar for this 1, 15. 15, and next is it is women and number of women is 28. So 25 and 30 it is very near to 20 to 30. So if you divide this main portion into 5 equal division, it will be very nearer to 30. So draw this bar graph also. 30, 15, 30. Then for the boy it is 5. So this 28, not 30. Then it is for the boys it is 5. So draw the graph according to this horizontal axis, it is vertical axis, it is 5. So 5, and for the girl it is 12. Very near to 10, not nearer to 15. So 12 is here. Now you can see the bar graph to illustrate the frequency distribution table. You have to draw the bar graph and you have to mention the scale also. 1 unit is equal to 5 shoppers. Scale along y-axis, one unit is equal to 5 shoppers. Okay, so in this way you have to complete the bar graph. Today only one sum I have illustrated in the same way, as you have to understand and complete the work. Thank you, students.